under their curse.
All right, YouTubes. It's been a while. Took a nice 10-day vacation to Ireland. It was awesome. I actually took this little airplane out of Galway area to the Aran Islands, to the Inishmore Island, to go ride the bicycles around the island. And on the plane was a refrigeration technician going out to the island to do a repair. And that was PJ Quinn, and he watches the channel. And we chatted it up for a brief minute because he had to get to work. He was out working and I was out playing. So it was nice to see you, PJ. And then we had chatted a little bit on Instagram. So that was really cool. So we got a little freezer to go look at. I just got off the day job. It's like 2:42. I just got off work from the day job. We're gonna head out and check out this, he didn't tell me if it was a 2-door or a 1-door or a 3-door or what. So I'll have to text the customer when we get over there. But let's get out there and see what's going on. And we got a freezer to repair. And I got a bunch of more. I got like 10 calls in the hole right now, so. And I got a little sinus thing going. You know, you can't travel on an airplane without picking up something. Like, more calls are coming. That's my phone texting. All right, let's get out here. All right, let's see what shape old Tippins is in. Oh, he's face down in the mud. Look at yourself, Tippo. All right, let's get some knee pads on and some gloves. Yeah. And we'll get in there. This freezer's 34. It's supposed to be defrosting right now. And it looks like we got some mushy coil going. It's definitely not defrosting all the way. I gotta get my ladder. I wonder if it's trying to refrigerate while it's in defrost. It was defrosting, now it's in freeze mode. Let's see if we can get it in the defrost. I'll put it into manual defrost and see if I get it to defrost again here real quick. Hold on. All right, put it in manual defrost. It's supposed to be defrosting, but our unit is still running. So I wonder if my control is stuck. Yep, the contacts are stuck in the controller. So this unit needs a new controller. Look, she's got a 3-in-1 start cap boogie. She's got plug-o bug-o air filter, check. Condenser's not teabag because the air filter's doing its job, but I need to get a control for it. Let's see if I got one. That's a XR06C. I don't think I have the freezer controller in my truck. Nope. So we're in manual defrost. We know the relay's sticking for the compressor. I banged on it, got it to unstick. Now we'll see if we can get all the ice off of here. It needs to defrost. It's got a healthy layer of frost. New control will come with 2 new sensors, and then we can sensor it. Let's get the cover off. We'll get this coil de-iced. Right here. There it is. 3 across the front. Put those right there, and I got 3 across the front right here. Oh yeah, iced up coilotitis. There she is. Oh yeah. Alright, so the heaters are working. I can hear the sizzling going on in there. I'm going to give this thing a head start. There it goes. Sizzle, sizzle. Let's see what we got going. No, that's a single probe. Yeah, that's the single prober. This one here is the super inexpensive Inkbird Specialer. Single probe. And my love control is single probe, so now I gotta order up a 2 probe dick cell for the freezer. Speed things up a little bit here. And you're not going to defrost if the compressor's running all the time because the relay's stuck. I got it restarted. We're on our time delay right here. So The reason I de-iced it and we got a head on the ice is sometimes you can bang on those controllers and they'll work for a little bit. I'm not going to get that thing probably till tomorrow or the next day. I ordered 2 of them, one for this job and another one to resupply the truck. And sometimes we can get lucky on these and it'll get them by. I'll also ask them if they could leave it empty. I'll power cycle it down and just leave it empty. But I'm gonna see what they want to do. The handle's been broken. Old timers, man. Team Atosa. And we'll see how we make out here. All right. 33 and dropping. Sometimes you whack on these, you'll get lucky and they'll work for a few days before they stick again. So I think they're going to be able to use it till I get the new control. I don't think I'll have it tomorrow because it's so late in the afternoon. I'll get it the day after, which will be Wednesday. And we'll pop over Wednesday and do this for a permanent fix. Control, new probes, evap in a cabinet, and I think in the meantime this thing's gonna, I think it's gonna do okay for them. Alright, that one there we got Dixelled. I didn't have a 06 on the truck, so I got a couple coming. And like I was saying in there, sometimes you whack on those and you'll get them to reset and they'll work for a little bit. So I gave it the old whacker-doodle, and they need to use that freezer because it's summertime and they're super busy, so that'll get them by for a day or two till I get the new control. And we'll throw the new control with the 2 new sensors, and I'll try and get some video of that also. See if we can get a video together. I got like 9 more calls to do, and I'm trying to figure out how I'm gonna get to these ones, which day, and all kinds of fun stuff, but we'll get it figured out. All right, stay tuned.